So I stopped working for Ford like 6 months ago-ish, something like that. And before that, I was definitely known as, you know, I was the Mustang guy up there. Anytime customers had any kind of complicated questions about them or anything, you know, the salespeople would come grab me, you know, so I could talk to the customer or answer anything they had. Well, because of that, my GM, he knew that I was that guy. And so we got a golden ticket GT500 reservation. So what does he do? He comes to me, says, hey, I want you to spec this thing out. So I got to build a freaking GT500 and it's at the place right now. It just got delivered, and so it's not my car, but I'm gonna go take a look at it because it's really cool. Matter of fact, in there I have the actual invoice from where I built it. Like, you know, I put everything together, I signed off on it, my manager signed off on it, and I just think that's really cool. That's not something that a lot of people get to do, is actually, you know, spec something out, even when that wasn't even my job. You know, that's like, I was a salesperson, you know? So anyway, I think that's really cool. Next thing you're gonna see is the car. There it is. There it is. It's still got all the plastic on it. All the plastic on the inside. It's just insane to me that, like, I don't know, I'm a sentimental kind of person. So the fact that I put this in the order bank and got it made, that's just really cool to me. God bless, dude. This thing is sick. So got that. Got that. Oh my God. Jesus. I would be buying this right now if I could afford it. I swear to God. That's why I need you guys to freaking subscribe, because Daddy needs a 500. God, that fucking blower. Who we got here? Steve. Mr. Steve Grant on here. Looks like we got a whole nother, it's like a spoiler bubble wrapped in here. God, I want this for my car so bad. This exposed carbon fiber dash, it's so pretty. It's so freaking pretty. Got the massive paddle shifters on the thing. Alcantara steering wheel. Oh my God, I want it. Jesus Christ, I want it so bad. If y'all want to know what they look like coming straight off the truck, this is it. This is it. Got all the plastic on here. Man. Yo, I don't know if you can see these brake rotors or not. Yeah, you can. Dude, I don't really even know what these are, but they look insane. These brakes are freaking massive. Oh my God. What a freaking car, dude. Well, now I get to walk to this. I'm kind of sad now. I love my car, but oh my God, that was something else. I wish I could drive one, honestly. Like, just from first appearances of that car, I am super impressed. I want it so bad. Sticker on that one was 80,000 and some change. Matter of fact, I'll pull this out. So I think they ended up actually going in and making a couple differences to it, because so there it is. It's got the tech pack, carbon fiber track pack. I think that's what they took off, because I said this was an invoice earlier. I lied. It's not actually an invoice, but it yeah. So the retail on this thing was supposed to be $96,000, and the sticker price on that car was $80,000. So that kind of makes sense. They definitely went in and made some changes. I guess my GM kind of pussed out on doing the carbon fiber track pack, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, I built that thing, man. But not like with my hands, but I made it happen, Captain. But God, that sucks driving away from here.